Welcome to Katerina Finds. I received such a shower bench for review. Let's put it together and see how it works. It comes in very nice package. Should be very easy to assemble. There is a manual and hardware. Also, I thought it's made out of wood when I was offered, and I was questioning how it doesn't get bad in the shower if it's made out of real wood. It does not made out of real wood. It's made of high density material called polyethylene. It should be pretty safe in a humid condition. This is such a beautiful seat, and I love that it's curved. Let's just assemble it.
Legs were cut to meet curvature of the chair, so be sure you putting it in a proper angle. All the hardware needed for assembly is included. Just tighten 8 screws and you will have long-lasting, non-slip legs, shower bench ready to go.
Just finished to put it together, and it took me only a few minutes, and that one Allen wrench that came with the set was actually all you needed tool-wise. What I want to show before I turn it on the proper position, you can always level legs. It has levels on the bottom, so if your shower is not too even, you can level it for the certain spot that it would stay well balanced. This is so nice. It has a wood texture and very beautiful color. It's easy to put together. You don't have to only use it in the shower. Would be awesome in the bathroom, even by the bathtub. Depends on the position and location of your bathroom. But at the same time, it will be great in the shower, and moisture will do nothing to it as it's plastic. It has great curvature to the seat to keep you from sliding from this chair. And also it has this shelf on the bottom where you can store your necessities like shampoos and body wash, soap, wherever you need to. The chair easily withholds 300 pounds. You don't need to worry about mold, erosion, or any other issue with the plastic. Corners are perfectly made and rounded that you wouldn't scratch yourself. This chair can be used anywhere in the house, doesn't have to belong only to the bathroom. I love it a lot, and let me show you more in details.
Chair is very comfortable to sit on in any position. The shower bench is made from corrosion-resistant plastic. It's mimicking look of the real wood so well. Every corner of the chair is rounded and non-scratchy. Legs of the bench has non-slippery cups that will keep chair in place. Rounded smooth edges of the chair helps to prevent bumps on the skin. Curved seat stops water from pooling, keeping the seat dry and offering more comfortable angle. This bench can be used anywhere in the house. It's basically a versatile stool that I'm using next to my bathtub and storing all my necessities. I'm very pleased with this chair as assembly was easy. Stool is very comfortable to sit on and can be used as a table, and I love the quality of it. I do recommend it.